Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Okay, pag-usapan natin yung tungkol sa pag-refuse ni Solicitor General Minardo Guibarra na maging abogado ng mga respondents sa writ of habeas corpus na naisampa sa Korte Suprema. Ito, may nagsalita na ang masipag, matapang na Yusek Claire Castro. Sa post ni Dr. Richard and Erica Mata, isinare nila ang Inquirer.net na post, posted 59 minutes ago. So ito yung Inquirer.net. Basahin ko. In a press briefing, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says Solicitor General Minardo Guibarra should assess himself if he is still fit to be the government's chief lawyer. Nako, medyo mabigat ito, no? may ibig sabihin. Bakit ayaw mong maging abogado? Are you still fit? Nako, ang tindi na. Matindi ito. Castro points out that the OSG's manifestation to recuse itself from representing government officials named as respondents in consolidated habeas corpus petitions filed by Duterte camp, Solgen never mentioned that he is against PH cooperation with Interpol. Castro says respondents to get new lawyers to represent them in petitions, but says they have not yet discussed if these will be government or private legal counsels. Castro says it is very important for government to get government lawyers who are very competent and effective in defending government. She points out that it was Guibarra who said OSG may not be able to effectively represent respondents in petitions. Castro also maintains that Rome Statute was previously enforced, contrary to claims that ICC never had jurisdiction over PH. Kung hindi ito nag-take effect, sabi niya, bakit sila nag-withdraw in the first place? Okay. Via Julie M. Aurelio, Philippine Daily Inquirer. Okay, so, doon ako na attract sa sabi niya na Guibarra should assess himself if he is still fit to be government chief lawyer. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Pahiwatig na shape up or pack up? Pahiwatig na ba na opinion ko lang ito Wala akong ibang basihan kundi sariling opinion lang na pahiwatig na dahil dito baka sisibakin na si Solgen Guibarra. Nagtatanong lang naman. Kasi kung sabihin mo na are you still fit? Kasi pag nasa isang position ka, you should be fit for that job. If you are not fit anymore, ano ibig sabihin nun? Di umalis ka na lang. So, tingnan natin kung anong... So, I'm sure medyo kaabang-abang ang mga mangyari. Kasi first time nangyari ito na ang isang Solicitor General ayaw niyang depensahan ang government officials na naireklamo as respondents. Okay, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Dayday Sagario. Sabaa diha Castro, muraman kag sobra sa linog. Keep your mouth shut, sabi dito. Corlin Tan Galon. Nalahi nagyod si Attorney Claire. believe kaayo ko ani sa una, kay on point mo banat based on the rule of law, construction sa iyang mga vlogs, constitution pala. Sa pagkayusik niya, karon iya na inaatake is trauma effect na o agion niya sa pagkaminaldita motubag. Dati, ano daw, believe daw siya kay Attorney Castro nung vlogger pa siya. Ngayon, hindi na. Dahil minaldita. Julie Piedad, sinasabi ko talaga kung hindi yan taktika nila, battle of traitors ang mangyayari dyan. Paul T. Tang, pati Solgen, hindi kayo sinusuportahan. Aminin nyo na lang na nagkamali ang BBM admin. Okay, may latest vlog ako kanina, baka hindi nyo napanood. Si Secretary Boying Remulla, may pahayag siya nung budget deliberation last year, 2024. Tinanong siya kung pagdating ng ICC, mag-serve ng warrant of arrest, pagdating ng Interpol, anong gagawin? In no uncertain terms, sabi ni Secretary Boying Remulla na ICC or Interpol, whatever it is, foreign entities, must go through local courts. Recorded yan sa budget deliberation. Na-publish yung mga statement niya sa Daily Tribune. So, alam ni Secretary Boying na hindi basta-basta ma-enforce ang ICC warrant of arrest dito kung hindi dadaan sa local courts. As stated in Article 59 ng ICC rules. Alam niya. Kasi sinabi niya last year. Bakit ngayon hindi naman nasunod? So, yan. Paliwanag nila ngayon sa writ of habeas corpus sa talagang matinding balitaktakan yan sa Korte Suprema. So, ang tanong, sino ang magiging abogado? I think kasamang respondent si Secretary Remulla, General Marbil and General Torre. Sino kaya ang kasing galing ni Solgen Guevara na mag-represent sa kanila sa kaso sa Supreme Court? Okay. Kaya mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong